DJI introduces DJI Mini 2 SE. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. Today, civilian drones and creative camera technology leader DJI announced the DJI Mini 2 SE, an ultralight, palm-sized foldable camera drone suitable for both beginners and experienced drone pilots. Weighing under 249 grams, the regulation-friendly Mini 2 SE is exempt from drone regulations in various regions. Its 1/2.3-inch CMOS camera sensor takes 12 MP photos and films video at 2.7K, and enables 4x digital zoom for seamless transitions between shots at varying distances. The Mini 2 SE is the latest addition to the DJI Mini Series, which grants several smart features that make operation easier. Mini 2 SE features a maximum range of 10 kilometers of HD video transmission, with a maximum flight time of 31 minutes. In addition to the smart features, the Mini 2 SE has intelligent features like QuickShots and Panorama, allowing for more creative shots. The advanced gimbal enables a 3-axis mechanical stabilization system for consistently smooth imagery. The Mini 2 SE also features one-tap takeoff and landing, stable hovering, and a return-to-home feature. With level 5 wind resistance, the aircraft is able to hover steadily and keep images stable at a wind speed of 10.7 meters per second. The DJI Mini 2 SE starts at $369, with a DJI Mini 2 SE Fly More combo available for $519. Both will be available for purchase starting March 22, 2023 at the DJI Store and authorized retailers. DJI's comprehensive protection plan, DJI Care Refresh, will also be available for DJI Mini 2 SE. The replacement service covers accidental damage, including flyaway, collisions, and water damage. At an additional charge, users can have their damaged products replaced in the event of an accident. The 1-year plan includes up to 2 replacements in 1 year, while the 2-year plan includes up to 3 replacements in 2 years and extends the original warranty up to 2 years from the date of purchase. DJI Care Refresh also features rewards for safe flight and free shipping.